So, hi guys. So, simulan po natin mag-download ngayon ng Tony 4.1.7 guys. So, search lang natin guys, Tony guys. Yan, press lang natin to. Wait natin guys. Search lang natin to. Search natin. Yan. So, may makikita kayong download dito guys. Press nyo lang to. And dito tayo sa Windows guys. So, design an installer with 64-bit. So, ito guys, Tony 4.1.7. Yan guys. And wait lang natin siya mag-analyze, download. Siya ay 22.4 MB guys. Lang natin. Sorry guys, mabagal yung net natin. Yan. Wait lang natin siya. So guys, habang hinintay natin, ito pala yung mga features na nandito. Easy to get started. Yan, basahin nyo na lang yan. Python 3.2 build. Yan. Dito na yung mga ano niya guys, instruction niya. So, basahin na lang natin yun guys. So, ganun. And, ano. So, guys, if natapos yung download guys, punta lang kayo sa ano guys, download, file. Yan, makikita nyo to guys. Click nyo lang to guys. After makik-guys, click nyo yung install for environment guys. Yan, next lang tayo guys. Next. Yan, step back payment. Yes, next. Next lang tayo guys. Next. Yan, next. Yan. So, guys, click install on the installation. Click para if you want to review, change any settings. So, click lang natin yung install. Yan. Click natin guys. Wait lang natin siya mag-install guys. Nag-install din siya. Compiling, standard library, take a while. So, yun guys, finish na yan guys. So, search natin to guys, Tony. Tony. So, meron na tayong app guys. Click lang natin to guys. So, yun guys, nakapag-install na tayo ng Tony guys. So, ngayon guys is mag-try tayo mag-code guys. So, let's try print. Close and open parenthesis guys. So, sa loob yun guys, try tayo ng word. So, try natin siyang i-run guys. So, andito na yung output natin guys. Hello world. And, try ulit natin isa pa guys. Print. Close and open parenthesis. Guys, is name natin guys. Nakakalimutan guys kung run. Ayun natin guys. So, yun guys. And then na yung output natin. So guys, um, tanong is paano mag-save guys. Like, press Control S. May magpapakita na dyan guys. Pwede natin ipunta siya sa download or sa aking ano. So, lagay tayo ng dito natin guys. Sta.py. Yes, save natin. So, yan guys. So, andito na din yung mga file. View niya. Tools. Help. View. Yun guys, marami kang ano dyan. View, increase font size, control. Focus editor, Alt plus E. Focus shell, Alt plus S. So that it's guys. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.